Hey team, I just wanted to make a video real quick on placing an order. When you are placing a personal order for yourself, or you're placing an order for inventory to sell, you should do it from your pay leg, which is your lowest leg. You have a right and a left. Let me show you. If you look right here, I'm sorry, I'm holding the phone. So you have a left side and you have a right side. Whichever side has the lowest number, that's your pay leg at the time. And it can change in minutes when people are ordering. So you want to try to keep them close together, like to keep them balanced. And this is how we hit rank. So right now, this is my pay leg, 733 points. So I would place an order from the last person on my pay leg. So to figure out who the last person on my pay leg is, this is the right side. So now I'm going to go and look at my binary tree. I just woke up, y'all, and I'm sorry, my voice is cracky, but I wanted to do this. And the reason why we do this is how we rank. This is how we all can rank up faster. And the reason why you want to rank up is you qualify to get more money. All right. So I'm in the menu and I'm going to go to my binary tree viewer over here. And I'm looking for the last person on my right leg, because that was the one with the, lowest. So, okay, here we go. This is my right leg over here. This is left, this is right. So I'm going to push this arrow to get to the very bottom of that leg. And here we are. This is Tara Ross is the last person on my low leg. So I would need to get Tara Ross's login info so that I can place an order. Or I could just give her my card number and do it and ask her to place the order for me. But I would just need to do that. Get an order placed, not by clicking on her retail site. You actually need to log into her back office. This is me. This is the last person on my leg. I would actually need to log into her back office and place my order for my personal stash or for my inventory. And by doing that, everybody above Tara, that makes Tara and everybody else's volume increase, and that is how you hit rank. And if you want to know what it takes, to hit a certain rank, I'm gonna go here real quick. Sorry. And I'm gonna get the compensation plan real quick. Sorry, I'm working with one hand. This is your help center. You go over here, you need to look at all the videos and just play around and get very familiar. So I'm going here, compensation plan. This explains the breakdowns on how you rank and how you get paid. Okay, So here. Okay, this is where it discusses ranks. So, if you want to, if your next goal is to hit apprentice, you need to have a 40 qualifying volume smart ship. Active with 40 qualifying volume, you need to have purchased at least that much under yourself, right? Which is your smart ship. And binary qualified, which means you need to have 2 life changers under you, active. And you need to have 500 pay leg volume. So that's how you get that number up, that 500. That's how you get there, is by placing your orders under the pay leg. Now, your pay leg may switch. You know what I'm saying? I might make a purchase on my right leg, and then my left leg, turns into my pay leg. So my next part, you know what I'm saying? You want to keep them right there together. And I've already sent out one video that explains this very good in detail. It's a YouTube video, but I'll send it out again so everybody catches it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.